Hello and welcome back. In this video tutorial, lesson 15, I'm going to talk about the panic function in Go. The panic function is used to raise a runtime error in our Go program. It's similar to the raise or throws keyword in other programming languages, like for example Java. The syntax of the panic function is very simple. We simply need to call the panic function passing a message, a string. For example, panic, something went wrong. In this code, the program will stop executing and will print the message panic, something went wrong. Let's try it. Open the terminal and type go run main.go. In the console, we can see the panic function has been triggered, and we can see also the message panic, something went wrong, and even the line in which the panic was called, line 5 of the main.go. It's important that you remember that the panic function should only be used in exceptional circumstances. It should not be used as a way to handle regular program errors. For example, you should use the if statement instead of the panic to check for invalid input or to handle accepted errors. Now let's write an example using the panic functions in a real world scenario. Let's write a function called divide with two arguments, a and b, of type integer, and will return an integer. Inside this function, we are going to check if the value b is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, we will call the panic function. If b equals to 0, panic, and then a message like cannot divide by 0. Otherwise, if b is different from 0, we're going to return a divide b. Now, let's go inside the main function and let's type result. It's equal to divide of 5 and 0, for example. And then we print in the console the result. Perfect. In this example, we have a divide function that takes two integers, a and b, and returns the result of dividing the first argument by the second. If the second argument is 0, the function divide will trigger a panic with the message cannot divide by 0. Let's try our example. Open the terminal and type go run main.go. See, we have the panic function. Now let's change it with 1. Let's try it again. And now we can see the result without, of course, the panic function. And that's it. The panic function is a powerful tool for handling exceptional circumstances in our Go program. Remember to use it only in case when it's truly necessary. To avoid a program to crash, we can use another function named recover, and we will talk about in the next lesson. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel to be always updated about new video that I will upload, and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.